When I have pineapple, oat flakes, and bananas at home, I always make this recipe. To begin, we'll need 1 piece of pineapple. It doesn't need to be the whole fruit. A piece this size will do. Let's peel it with a knife. Okay. Now let's cut the middle part off. We can throw it away. Let's cut the pineapple into small pieces. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where you're watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. We'll also need 2 bananas. Let's peel them. Now we'll slice them. Let's put the ingredients in the blender. The pineapple and the bananas. Then we'll add 2 cups of water, 1 cup of oat flakes, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's blend. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. This is the correct consistency. Guys, the bananas are already very sweet, so there is no need to add sugar. Now we just need to pour it in a glass with ice. And our recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.